In this video, you're going to learn how to link data using cell references and range references. So let's get started. You're going to be working with two different files. The main file is your reference file, and you will also be working with another file, which is your 2024 expenditure file. Here you can see that you have the business expenditure for the current year, and what you want to do is to pull the data for the previous year from another workbook. All you need to do here is to enter the equal sign and then switch windows. You have to make sure that the other workbook is also open. So when you switch windows, you can see both of these windows, and now you want to choose the other workbook. And there you go. It takes you to the other workbook where you can just select the data that you want and hit the enter. Going back to our reference file, you can see that your data is now appearing here. And you can just drag it to the right or just use flash fill. And here you go. You also should notice that this is a live link, which means if any of the data changes in your workbook, that change would appear here. So let's see how that works. So we're going to change the office supplies for Q1 from 6,000 to 5,000 in our 2024 expenditure workbook. So we're going to change this to 5,000, and now you should be able to see this change in your reference workbook. Let's go back to reference. And there you go. You can see that that number changed, and this shows there's a live link between these two workbooks. So if that workbook changes, all the changes will also be reflected here. Let's say you just want to pull a specific range of numbers and see that in your reference workbook. If you look at this table, you can see that there are a few named ranges here. So you have a named range for Q1, Q2, and the data for the entire table. But what if you just want the Q1 data to be appearing in your reference workbook? Let's go back to our reference worksheet. And if you only want the named range for Q1, enter the equal sign here, switch windows, and click on formulas, using formula, and just choose Q1 and hit enter. Now you can see that you have the data for that specific range, and if you use autofill, that will automatically fill out the rest of the cells for you. Let me know if you like the content of this video and leave any comments that you have in the comment section.